Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Conga drum set with a stand available on the market. The Gibraltar 9517 double-braced double Conga stand. If you're a percussionist who values stability, portability, and serious build quality, then stick around because this piece of gear might just change your rhythm game. First impressions. This stand means business. Made by Gibraltar, a brand long trusted in the percussion world, the 9517 double Conga stand is built like a tank. As soon as you set it up, you can feel the durability. This isn't just a stand, it's a performance partner. The double-braced legs give it a rock-solid foundation, which is incredibly important when you're playing with energy and movement. Nothing wobbles, nothing slides. It stays right where you need it. This stand is designed to hold two Congas side by side, and the mounting system is impressively intuitive. It uses adjustable drum supports that firmly lock your Congas in place. Whether you're using full-size tumba and quinto drums or slightly smaller variations, this stand accommodates them with ease. The height adjustment mechanism is smooth and reliable, allowing you to dial in your playing position whether you sit or stand. This is particularly helpful during long sets or studio sessions where ergonomics matter. What stands out here is how much attention Gibraltar paid to stability and flexibility. The double-braced design isn't just for looks, it's there to handle the rigors of constant play and travel. Touring musicians will appreciate how it folds down quickly and compactly, making transport easy without compromising on toughness. It's not lightweight by any means, but that's a trade-off for the strength you get. If you've ever played on a stand that feels like it might tip with a hard slap, you'll know why this matters. Assembly is also user-friendly. You won't be wrestling with tiny parts or complicated clamps. The wing nuts and mounting brackets are large enough to grip and tighten without tools, and they stay secure once you've locked them down. That's a huge win for gigging musicians who need to set up quickly and confidently. Let's talk about aesthetics for a moment. The chrome finish on the Gibraltar 9517 has a sleek, professional look that complements the style of your drums. It doesn't just perform well, it looks the part too. In a live performance setting, stage presence matters, and this stand fits right in with high-end gear setups. If you're a beginner, this might feel like overkill, and that's okay. There are simpler, cheaper options out there. But if you're an intermediate to professional percussionist who gigs, records, or rehearses regularly, investing in a stand like the Gibraltar 9517 will pay off every time you play. It's one of those pieces of gear you don't think about once it's set up, and that's exactly what you want from a stand. To wrap it all up, the Gibraltar 9517 double-braced double Conga stand is a reliable, rugged, and thoughtfully designed piece of equipment. It's built to last, performs flawlessly under pressure, and supports your playing style without compromise. Whether you're on stage or in the studio, it keeps your drums exactly where you want them, rock solid and ready to groove. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best gear out there. See you in the next video.